Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to take a look at Divoom Ditoo. Ditoo, I don't know. You can find this product on Amazon. I will put the link in the description below. Basically, this is like a portable speaker with a display. It comes in this box here, and inside the box we see that we have a Type-C cable to Type A, and it has control stickers and the manual. Basically what this is a portable Bluetooth speaker with a display for pixel images. This is a pixel image, if you don't know, and this can get very loud. We have the controls here. We can even play a few games like Tetris. And also we can connect this with an app. It's this app here called Divoom, and what we can do here is that we can select one of these faces here to appear on the display of the screen. Basically this is something to be placed at a desk. This serves as a Bluetooth speaker. It can get very loud. I'll just demonstrate it here. I'll play one of my videos. This can get very loud, but we don't have a lot of bass. This is perfect for an office. I've been using this for more than 2 weeks now, and basically I use this as an alarm or to play some music via Bluetooth from my phone. As we can see, we have the options here. We can change the animations, or we can just write some stuff here, and we hit play. This is a very cool product. Now also I forgot to mention that here we have the power button, here we have the USB port, Type-C port, and here we can insert a micro SD card slot. Yeah, such a cool product. This also has a mic here, and it has like a noise meter. We can see how much decibels the noise around us is. Has a countdown. Also serves as a notification for WhatsApp messaging or stuff like that from the phone to here, because the phone might be away from us, but we can see here on this screen if we have a notification from Facebook or Instagram or etc. We can play this game here via phone. Or we can play it via these buttons here. If you never played Tetris, I would recommend you download one from Play Store. It's an old game and it's very fun. Final thoughts of the video. I recommend you get this product because it's a very cool product, and it gives you the retro feel and also has multiple functions. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.